Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple text editor in Python. So, this is what it will look like. So, you can write text like this. So, let's just get started. Sorry for not uploading Python videos for a while. I've mainly been focusing on Scratch for a month, so let's just continue Python. Let's just get back to Python, huh? So, it'll start like this since you have no code, as you can see. So first we need to print the name of your text editor. Like mine, SimplePad. Press run, and you'll see it'll just say it. So then you can do 1\n and check if it's nice. Add another print and write sample. So now I like this spacing. You can, if you don't like it, you can add another \n or you can remove a \n. All up to you. So let's replace that. So delete check the thing, and now let's do a while true. It's not going to do anything since you need a indent, and then you need to put some code in it. So now we just need to do input the bracket, the rounded bracket opener, and 2 apostrophes and the round bracket closer. So now we shouldn't get an error if I've written this correctly. And yeah, it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. But subscribing means the best to me. So